Hi, this is Dimitri, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zine. It takes 2 seconds to download from the internet to make a vlog video. Okay. Now, if I want to show you my special robot dog, he's very cute. I just press the shoot button there. There we go. I tell you what I need to tell you about the update. Then I press this button. Come on. It shows you the video that you made. You can edit, then press next.
What I need to tell you.
You write your response over there, and then make sure it says down save to device, so you can keep a copy for your YouTube. Press post, and you see you can't get decent internet here in this place. Irvine, California, Woodbridge. Do I need to go back to Mother Russia to get good internet? Look at that. It's broken. It's broken. I keep complaining about the internet. There. You see? I broke it. See you in the next video. Mother Russia has better internet.